Ndabezitha, Zulu kamalandela ngokulandela inkomo zamadoda, Zulu omnyama wendlela zimhlophe, wena kaPhunga noMageba, wena kaMjokwane kaNdaba, wena wakwaNkayishane kaMenzi eyaphuza umlaza ngameva, Sithuli sikaNdaba, Sithuli sikaNkombane, wena kaSihawahawu siyinkondlo bayikhuzile, ngoba ikhuzwe ngabaphansi nabaphezulu, wena kaNogwaja omuhle ngomlenze, wena kabambela shoba, Ndabezitha, kusile bogogo kusile bomkhulu, makhosi amakhulu, inkosazane yamanzi eza ngemvula, oNdabezitha Kitawu yalihaha, bayede. Ngithemba ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle, siyayithakazela thina oMageba, oNdabezitha. Kuyafuneka sometimes ukuthi uma umuntu uyazi imvelaphi yakho, owazi ney'bongo zokhokholozi bakho nabokhokho, ubabize ukuthi kuzwakale ukuthi uphuma kusiphi isigodlo. Bayede, makhosi amakhulu. Ngiyachubeka namhlanje ingane zamathonga, ngiyachubeka ngesihloko sey'ngane ezithwasayo vesa iy'ngane ezingathwasi ney'ngane ezilungiselwayo. This is part 2, ngiyachubeka ngayo. Njengoba ngishilo-ke ekuqaleni ukuthi i-spirituality isikhulu, i-spirituality sinabile. Yebo, khona ukudideka kuhamba kube khona esizweni esinsundu ngenxa ye-doctrination eyaba khona isikhathi eside. Ku-part 2 then ngizo-introduce-a iy'ngane zamakhosi, ubukhosi bukamoya. Ubukhosi bukamoya kudala bukhona, iZayoni yiyo eyahamba phambili during the doctrination ngobukhosi bukamoya. AmaZayoni anamakhosi, most ile sonto isonto elaqamba ukubumba isizwe samakhosi. Amasonto amaZayoni amasonto aqanjwa ukubumba isizwe samakhosi ney'ngane zamakhosi. And then sihambe sibe namasonto ama-Pentacles, and then labo most sithola amapostori, laba abahamba bona during the doctrination benza iy'nkonzo okuthiwa kidi-kereke tsa diphiri. And then labo bantu labo, most of them, they were catering izinyanga dingaka tsa Sesotho, and they were also catering izangoma kakhulu. Because remember during the doctrination abantu bebangakhona ukuthwasa, so bebalungiselwa under those churches zama-Pentacles in terms of abantu abazalwe bembethe isimo sokusebenza ngomsebenzi wasendumbeni, but bebasebenza under isonto, bagcoka izambatho zesonto, iphika, baye ey'ntabeni, baye emanzini, benza yonke lento. But most of them abalapho kulawa masonto kidingaka tsa Sesotho and kidingaka chichi and gape yini izangoma. Ubungoma kudala bukhona, nazi izangoma, they were catered in those churches. I'm not saying ukuthi izangoma were not catered eZayoni, but eZayoni kakhulu kugcwele iy'ngane zamakhosi. eZayoni kakhulu kugcwele iy'ngane zamakhosi. Nakhona kulamasonto dikereke tsa diphiri bana abantwana bamakhosi nabo bakhona lapho. It's just that there's a difference between isangoma, inyanga, umthandazi, igedla. There's a different, but basi catered to those churches sonke because of indoctrination singakhoni ukuthi silungiselwe. Why izangoma zisagcoka iphika zisasonta? It's because the generation endlulile ehambile laba bangakhonanga ukupractice ubungoma bebase basonta kule kereke lezi ezamapostori, and so that's why most of the time umntwana oyisangoma naye uzavuka athi gogo ngibone isiphika esisososo, gogo ngiboniswe ukuthi ngigcoke ijazi elisososo, ngiboniswe lokhu, but uthola ukuthi loyo mntwana loya in actual fact uyisangoma. It's because lo muntu lo olesalukwazi lesi esivelile ukuba isithunywa kuso sivela sithi hayi khona mina ngani sengihambe sesenza so, sihambe vele sesenza so, sesihamba siya entabeni siyothandaza, siya emanzini siyokhuleka. Yebo, izangoma nazo zikhona ezinesimo sikamoya, ngoba vele uma uyisangoma uyuza isimo sikamoya, ubhula ngomlozi nakhona, ubhula ngomlozi nakhona. So singadideki-ke, izangoma zaziloku zikhona kuma-Pentacles, zaziloku zikhona kumaZayoni, kodwa-ke namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi si-differentiate between inyanga, umthandazi, igedla kanye nesangoma. Azifani lezi zinto lezi, it's not one size fits all. Makhosi, bayede. I strongly believe ukuthi umuntu owacala isonto laseSiyoni wayenomoya wamalobho nesipulane. Umuntu owacala owasungula ibandla laseSiyoni wayenamalobho namapulane. Mawuthi uyabheka, why am I saying that? Because ngikhulile ngamalobho namapulane and izinto eziningi zakhona including ingoma, ukugida, izinto esizenzayo mostly mawuthi uyazibheka zihambisana nabantu baseSiyoni. So I strongly believe ukuthi ibandla laseSiyoni uEngenazi imvelaphi yakhe wayewumuntu onesimo samakhosi, but amakhosi wakhona wase uwafaka under ibandla laseSiyoni. But mangithi ngiyambheka yena ube kakhulu ngapha kumalobho namapulane bayede. And uShembe une sithunywa saseZayoni samakhosi. uShembe mangithi ngiyambheka unesithunywa saseZayoni samakhosi kakhulu, ngoba izinto eziningi ezenzwa ingane zamakhosi ngakhona enkonzweni kaShembe bayazenza. Abantu bakaShembe samba intaba bayakhuleka kakhulu, bahamba amanzi bayakhuleka, bayabhabhadiswa. So I strongly believe ukuthi uShembe abe nesithunywa samakhosi. Amakhosi kaMenzi yiwo awasebenzise kakhulu. However, I'm not so sure about amakhosi weShoba ukuthi uyawasebenzisa noma kanjani, kodwa kuye ngibona amakhosi kaMenzi kakhulu. But naye-ke abantwana abaningi abakade banamasimo samakhosi weShoba nabo amakhosi kaMenzi bebaya enkonzweni kaShembe kanye nasey'nkonzweni zaseZayoni. So angazi-ke in terms of indumba ukuthi uye wavuma ukuthi yenziwe na, but I strongly believe ukuthi yena uShembe kakhulu usemakhosini kaMenzi, amakhosi kamoya, ngoba kugcwele abathandazi, abantu abasebenza ngesihle engilosi yomhlophe ukuthi bamikise abantu emanzini babakhulekele benze imanga. And then amapostori kakhulu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kubo I strongly believe ukuthi bebagijima ngesimo sobungoma, yisi besikhona, isimo sesisuthu, ubunyanga besisuthu yisi besikhona, kanye nabo abaprofiti bebekhona epostori. And then iZayoni izonaba-ke, ngoba mawuthi uyayibheka laba abangekho under uShembe, laba abasey'nkonzweni zabo, lapha uyathola abantu bekade banesimo sobunyanga, amagedla, abathandazi bobathola lapho futhi, kanye nazo izangoma bokuzithola. iZayoni, it's like it catered everything lapho. Ukuthi kube nenkonzo yesiphiri besiyenza ngoba we doctrinated, abomkhulu bethu bebabulawa mabathwasa, yabona bachiswa, kuthiwa abathakathi abelungu sebasifakele imoya yabo le ingasile yaseRome. So bothi mawuhlushwa isimo sikamoya vele kulabo, mawuyisangoma noma uyinyanga noma umthandazi noma uyigedla, kulabo ubalekela khona ukuthi ukhona ukuhila, because at least isimo sakho sikamoya besikhula. Yes, ama-rituals abakhona enkonzweni zesiphiri, ama-rituals bebenzela kodwa besiwenza, that's why sithi inkonzo zesiphiri, kodwa khona ama-rituals bewabakhona. Abantu bakamoya bebasizakala kakhulu, futhi siyabonga labantu. Akushuthi umuntu omnyama uhlakaniphe kakhulu with the spirituality, noma belungu bangazama bathi bayamosha kodwa bahlulekile, ngoba okhokho bethu abaningi-ke bagcina sebaya kulawo masonto, amapostori, dikereke tsa diphiri, baya kuma-Pentecost, abanye baya eZayoni ukuthi isipho sabo basinabe. But manje ngoba sesi-free, kula manje sekuvumbuka imimoya kahle, abantwana manje this generation abakhona ukuthatha umoya esiphele way ithonga lifuna ngakhona. Izangoma seziyakhona ziyothwasa umndawo eKandaramani, baliphuze baliphalaze. Amakhosi sewayakhona nakhona ukuyothwasa isimo samakhosi, nakhona banama-rituals abawenzayo. Yeah, wonke ama-rituals anentwaso yakhona, ngisho ayakhona ukuthwasa nawo, amalobho nawo ayakhona ukuthwasa amalobho namapulani. So ubunyanga bu-broad, abantwana basekhaya, ubunyanga bu-broad, bunamandla bonke, buyahlonishwa bonke. How I so wish one day umndawo eKandaramani angasebenzisana nabantwana bamakhosi, aphinde futhi asebenzisane nabantwana babesuthu, aphinde futhi asebenzisane namalobho namapulani. You know, in this time, I think ukuthi sibe ku-awakening, it's not all about ukukhetha ukuthi laba bangcono kunobani, laba bangcono, laba banamandla kunobani, laba banamandla, laba bayaliphuza bayaliphalaza, laba mankengane, laba yini. It's not that time now.
Kodwa I think we are in the awakening because sesithole inkululeko mele sibonakalise ezisizwe sinsundu ukuthi i-African spirituality eyethu sinawo amandla. Remember guys, either we like it or not, we are the descendants of Abraham, we are the descendants of Isaac. So lento iloku ikhona iyakhuphuka kithi as amaqiniso manje a-unfolda ukuthi the African spirituality besilokhu sinamandla between abantwana bama-Israel, abantwana bamaJuda, the Jewish and including Ethiopia. That's why namanje the Ethiopian Bible iyo iBible elingathi liyiqiniso as per the Roman Bible le abayenzile. Mawuthi uyabheka now, I went through Ethiopian Bible versus the Bible that we have. There are a lot of things as unfoldayo as make sense through the African spirituality. For example, thina abantwana bamakhosi siyayenza isitshiso, siyenza yonke lento le, and we were told in the New Testament that we shouldn't senze lezo zinto lezo. Mawuthi uyabheka, the Old Testament and the African spirituality zisebenzisana kakhulu because iy'ngane zamakhosi, iy'ngane zey'nyanga zabeSuthu, maPostori, maZayoni, yonke even the rituals that we do zisesekhona ku-Old Testament, yayibona into enjalo. So but mangathi ngiyayicala lento leyo angeke ngicede, kodwa there's a Ethiopian Bible ngiyathanda ukuthi abantu banabe baye kuyo, la bazothola the Book of Jubilees, la bazothola khona the Book of Enoch. Yabona ziningi izinto nje ezingekho kule Bhayibhili eleza nawo amaRoma, lezi ezisidoctrinate-ayo namanje kubonakala engathi African spirituality it's all about demons and everything. I think ama-ancestors wethu and even God want us ukuthi manje sibe free as the African spirituality, sithole imvelaphi yethu, sithandane, sisekelane. We cannot be ukuthi sonke sibe ku-awakening bese masiceda sithwase into yinye. It's impossible bantwana basekhaya, it's impossible. Izangoma zizoba khona, akunankinga, mazigide ziye emigidini, zelapha abantu vele zikhona, amakhosi akhona ayathwasa isingoni, ayathwasa umluzi wasemanzini, umluzi wasentabeni, sinomnguni wasentabeni, sinomndawo entabeni. Amakhosi nawo anawo ama-rituals wakhona, but let it not be the competition yokuthi amakhosi versus izangoma. No. We are all in the African spirituality. Let it not be the competition ukuthi abeSuthu inyanga ezingcono ukudlula izangoma or izindlula amakhosi. Let it not be the competition between aMalobo neSipulane. Let it not be a competition between iHosana neSikharanga. Okusalayo sonke siku-awakening process and sesenza izinto as per our ancestors the way bebenza ngakhona. Angeke mina ngiyofiliswa small because of manje ngiyingane yamakhosi, ogogo nabomkhulu bafuna ukuthi ngibe umakhosi. Let's say if bengathwasanga or maybe ngingomunye umuntu onamakhosi kamenzi, so kumele loyo muntu abizwe uMankengane. Guys, masingasibulali i-spirituality somuntu omnyama. Let us unite and be one, and there's more about ukuthi sibe ku-awakening. I don't think ama-ancestors wethu bafuna sidebate ngobunyanga bethu nangamandla wethu ukuthi ubani ongcono ubani ongasingcono. Bafuna sibuyele to the roots, and then after I think into kumele siyibheke ke manje, kumele sikhulekise ama-politicians wethu ukuthi we must get our lands back, and kumele sihlakaniphe, silime. Ziningi izinto kumele sizilungise. Guys, iSouth Africa it's a mess, and njengoba siku-awakening process, it's not that abomkhulu bethu bafuna siyohlala ey'ndumbeni kuphela. They want us to fix all this mess that is happening around us. Uyabhadalela ukuye etoilet manje, ubhadalela amanzi owaphuzayo, ukudla esidlayo akusi-right ku-process. There's so much damage okumele ngabe thina siyinyanga siyabumbana manje since siku-awakening, sibone ukuthi le awakening yethu singayisebenzisa kanjani ukuthi amandla wesizwe esinsundu nelizwe lethu libuye into a power. It's not the time to debate about laba Mankengane, laba baliphuzanga baliphalaza, laba bona baliphuza ngenye indlela, laba bona baliphalaza ngenye indlela. I don't think it's time now. So ku-awakening process asizalwa endaweni eyi-one, asisona isizwe esiyi-one, nobukhosi bethu abufani, therefore angeke sikhule ngokufana, and let it not be a debate. Let's respect all abantu abaku-awakening. All I'm saying is Sizwe Sinsundu, Sizwe sikaMenzi, ukuthi spirituality side asihloniphaneni, si-embrace our African spirituality. Let us not allow the enemy ukuthi angene phakathi kwethu. Akekho ongcono kunomunye, akekho ongcono. Amakhosi anamandla wawo, anama-rituals wawo abawenzayo, akusiwona amankengane. Amakhosi awayigcoki imfiso, awagcoki idwaba. Sinendlela yethu anendlela yawo, the way abagcoka ngakhona, bagcoka isintu like esasendulo, yabona, bagcoka amabheshu, uyayibona into enjalo. Iy'mfiso azikho ebantwaneni zamakhosi, azikho iy'mfiso ebantwaneni bamakhosi. Izangoma ziney'mfiso, zinamambatho, zinayo yonke lento. And then amalobho namapulane banezambatho zakhona nabo, and most yabo futhi abanazi imfiso, kodwa zikhona amambatho wakhona esibanawo, uyayibona into enjalo, cishe afane nwaKaNdaramani kodwa awafani completely, yabona. IsiSuthu nakhona sinawo amambatho wakhona, still awafani nezinto zakaNdaramani. So what I'm asking ukuthi ngicela si-accommodatane, sisebenzisane. Masinga-accommodatana, sisebenzisane, isizwe sethu siyobuya sibe namandla. Let us rise back into power. Isikhathi sokuphikisana, isikhathi se-debate asikho. Our awakening mayingabi into yokuthi kumele siphikisane ukuthi ubani onedlozi elikhulu, ubani onedlozi elincane. I think the main purpose ukuthi sibe ku-awakening, we must take our power back. Isizwe simnyama kumele sithathe amandla waso back, kumele sibumbane siyinyanga. Inyanga abeSuthu ngishilo, inyanga yilabantu abenza ama-rituals weSuthu, amalobho namapulane yinyanga, iHosana neSikharanga yinyanga, amakhosi weshoba yinyanga kakhulu abantu bakhona. Izangoma yilaba benza umnguni kaNdaramani kanye noMndawo, izangoma lezo. And then amagedla yilawa abazibiza ukuthi ama-self-initiate most of the time, because abathwasi abaye ey'godlweni zabantu. Abathandazi nabo ama-self-initiate ngoba abathwasi abaye ey'godlweni zabantu, kodwa bayalungiselwa there and there ukuthi ku-part 1 ngizamile ukuyi-explain-a leyo nto leyo, Izangoma ziyagida nazo, ziyasina njengawo abantwana bakaNdaramani, kodwa asigidi ngokufana. Amalobho namapulani nawo ayagida ngendlela yawo, kodwa awagidi njengomndawo kaNdaramani. So masinga-accommodatana, si-embrace the African spirituality, sibe moya munye, kungaba right ukuthi manje what is plan B. Akusukuthi sonke manje sokumele sibe inyanga, sihlale endumbeni siloku silapha abantu. Yebo, of which is good ngoba yayiloku ikhona emandulo leyo nto leyo, kodwa I think the purpose of awakening ukuthi sibuyele back isizwe saka-Abraham, the true African spirituality. Right now our calendar, it's a mess. Like we are following the lunar, angisho, everything, it's a mess. The birth of Jesus Christ esitshelwe yona wrong. You know that this is actually the 2017. We are now in the 2017. Nje mase silanda emuva kahle, because we've got 13 months. You know, those are the things, information okumele siyifune manje siyithole ukuthi okay, we've got 13 months and this is actually should be the 2017. Like everything, it's a mess. We've been told lies since kuyithi, and it's time njengoba siku-awakening kumele sithole amaqiniso, sazi ukuthi okay, iplanet yethu kahle kahle ibuyaphi. Mawuya to the book of Jubilees, even the creation, i-contradictor le creation esitshelwa ama-Romans. There's a lot that we need to learn. There's a lot. I can't unpack everything now, but into engiyifunayo engiyicelayo manje, ngicela kube ne-harmony, and let's dive back. Sincede ama-ancestors wethu, sizwe saka-Abraham nesizwe saka-Noah. Let's dive back to the African spirituality, sibe moya munye, singagcekani, sibambane. Don't allow the enemy ukuthi angene phakathi kwethu. Izangoma sizi-embrace, amalobho namapulane siwa-embrace, esiSuthu siwa-embrace, amakhosi angathwasi siwa-embrace, amakhosi athwasayo siwa-embrace, sibe moya munye, and fight for what belongs to us, Bayede makhosi.